From the first spark of fire to the rise of AI, each era forged a new version of humanity. To understand how we reach today, we need to travel back, way back, to the first great revolution. The Stone Age Revolution. Carved weapons, stone...
Education, science, and religion. Humans no longer lived one lifetime. They inherited thousands of years of knowledge. But the world was still slow. Humans could transmit knowledge instantly. The age of electronic technology set the foundation for the greatest revolution of all time, something that might become smarter than them. This technology doesn't just change work, it changes humanity. We enter a new age.
Since the beginning of time, humans have survived, not because we were the strongest, fastest, or biggest, but because every era, every generation, someone invented something that shattered the limits of the old world and opened the doors to a new one. Technology didn't just change history, it created it. And from the first spark of fire to the rise of AI, each era forged a new version of humanity. To understand how we reach today, we need to travel back, way back, to the first great revolution. The Stone Age Revolution. 2.5 million years ago. Our story begins with stone. Simple, cold, unremarkable stone. But in the hands of early humans, it became humanity's first technology. Sharp tools, carved weapons, stone flakes that let us cut meat, scrape hides, shape wood, and survive predators stronger than us. Stone tools unlocked calories, calories unlocked brain growth, and brains unlocked imagination. This wasn't just a tool, it was the birth of human intelligence. With stone, we rose from prey to hunters. But humanity's next revolution would be even brighter. The Fire Revolution. 1 million years ago, fire was not just warmth, it was safety. It was cooked food that fed our growing brains. It was protection from predators who ruled the night. And fire created something more powerful than any weapon: the ability to gather around a flame and share stories, knowledge, and plans. Fire turned darkness into community, communication into culture, fear into control. This was the moment humans first bent nature to their will. But fire wasn't enough. We needed stability, food, and certainty. The Agricultural Revolution. 10,000 BCE. Humans got tired of chasing animals and berries, so they did the unthinkable. They made the world grow food for them. Farming created villages. Villages became towns. Towns became cities. And suddenly, humans weren't wandering tribes anymore. They were the rulers of land, but this invention came with a cost. Hierarchies, kings, taxes, work, inequality. Agriculture created civilization and all its problems. But the biggest change was still coming. The Bronze and Iron Era, 3000 BCE to 500 BCE. When humans discovered how to melt metal, everything changed. Bronze and iron tools built temples, armies, weapons, and empires. Swords replaced spears. Ships replaced rafts. Engineering replaced improvisation. For the first time, technology decided who became powerful, who won wars, and who wrote history. But metal wasn't the greatest invention of this era. Writing was. The Writing Revolution, 3400 BCE. Writing was humanity's first memory. It allowed kings to record laws, merchants to track trade, priests to keep knowledge, and civilizations to pass wisdom across generations. Writing created bureaucracy, education, science, and religion. Humans no longer lived one lifetime. They inherited thousands of years of knowledge. But the world was still slow, until one invention rewired the speed of thought. The Printing Revolution. 1440. Gutenberg's printing press was the first information explosion. For the first time, knowledge wasn't controlled by kings or priests. Books multiplied, ideas spread like wildfire. Revolutions began in the minds of ordinary people. Printing created the Renaissance, the Reformation, modern science, and the birth of the modern mind. But humanity still needed power, the kind of power buried beneath the earth. The Industrial Revolution, 1760 to 1900. Steam engines, factories, railroads, electricity.
This era didn't change history. It detonated it. Technology no longer improved life slowly. It accelerated it. Cities exploded in size. Millions moved from farms to factories. Machines replaced muscles. Science replaced superstition. Humans built skyscrapers, telegraphs, light bulbs, and engines. But industry also created pollution, child labor, and inequality at a scale never seen before. Still, the momentum was unstoppable. Next came machines that didn't move steel. They moved information. The Electronic Revolution, 1900 to 1970. Radio connected voices, television connected stories, computers connected mathematics to logic. The world began shrinking, fast. For the first time, humans could transmit knowledge instantly. The age of electronic technology set the foundation for the greatest revolution of all time, the digital one. The Digital Revolution, 1970 to 2010, microchips, personal computers, mobile phones, the internet. Humanity created a second brain, a global network where ideas travel faster than light used to. Entire industries collapsed. New ones were born overnight. Money became digital. Communication became instant. And the world became interconnected in ways ancient kings could never have imagined. But the newest revolution makes all of these look tiny. The AI Revolution. 2010 to present artificial intelligence is not a tool. It is a collaborator, a thinker, a creator. And today, companies like NVIDIA, OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft build the engines powering this new intelligence. AI writes, designs, predicts, translates, remembers, learns, and optimizes faster than any human in history. It runs hospitals, factories, satellites, cities, markets, and soon, maybe even civilizations. For the first time, humans built something that might become smarter than them. This technology doesn't just change work, it changes humanity itself, because the next era won't be dominated by muscle, metal, or machines. It will be shaped by intelligence, human and artificial. The Future Revolution, 2030 and beyond. We stand at the edge of the next era. Quantum computing, brain-computer interfaces, longevity science, autonomous robotics, interplanetary travel, synthetic biology. These are not dreams. They are prototypes, and every one of them has the power to become the next great revolution, changing how we live, how we think, how we work, and what we become. For hundreds of thousands of years, every breakthrough, stone, fire, farming, metal, writing, printing, industry, electricity, digital tech, and AI, has pushed humanity forward. And now, we enter a new age. An age where technology doesn't just change our environment, it rewrites what it means to be human, because every era has its defining invention. And the era we live in now? It's creating the inventions that will define the future itself. Subscribe if you like the video and comment your thoughts below.